Living in a Castle with Gwalia and Medrod. Written and illustrated by Sarah L. Dolan. Which medieval shoe is the shoe for you? Gwalia, the medieval mouse, wanted to live in a house because living in a castle was too much hassle. Horses, pigs, too much rotten veg, small feet, big feet, too many legs, fire, smoke, it's no joke. And then there's the cat. Medrod was fast. Medrod could move. Medrod was quick. Medrod could groove. Medrod was cool. Medrod was trendy. Medrod was hip. And everybody wanted to be his friend. There's a mouse! It's a what? Catch it! Kill it! Medrod was the coolest cat in the castle. And he liked shoes. But he didn't like mice. Eek! I'm a mouse! Salve.